So you don't want to put no rugs down
I
now?
kind of don't.
Wow.
I kind of don't.
Yep.
So I was sitting there looking at it like, shit.
I kind of don't.
Like,
I mean, maybe get something right here for front door, you know, wipe off your feet and stuff like that. Protect against, I mean, honestly, it was really protecting against water and crumbs and stuff.
Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Today is April the 17th. We are out here in Mableton, and actually we're out here in a subdivision that we did a house last Friday, screen and recoat. Well, it was a wax removal, screen recoat and UV Cure, and now we're in the same subdivision for a client. Mr. Leon and his wife have been following me on social media and YouTube for over a year. So I came out, did a consultation that same day. We was in the neighborhood, and he said, Courtney, I know all about your process. He said, I even know how much you charge. And when I gave them the quote, they looked at each other and they were like, yep, we said it was going to be that price. So what we're doing today, guys, here is a screen and recoat. It's a little bit, I think it's about a little bit over 600 square feet, and they're also going with the UV Cure system. So we're going to screen it down, clean it, get the coating down, go off for about 2.5 to 3 hours, because I actually have another consultation to do in Atlanta, and I just pulled up his address and he's like 30 minutes away, and he was actually referred to me by a neighbor that I did her floors in his neighborhood, and he want his floors done. So let me flip this around, guys, and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in Mableton, and Tavares is setting up. We did that one, oh my god, that wax removal job we did yesterday, and also too, me and my ride-along Lorenzo, he's back home when I did a screen and recoat last night for one of my network partners. So anyway, guys, let's go in here and show you what we got going. All right, so these are the floors. The floors are not bad, guys, but again, I'm going to zoom in, show you. You see all those scuff marks? You see all those micro scratches? See all that? See all that, guys? See that? See all that? So the floors is the coating, not the floor. The coating is starting to take a wear. All right, especially up in here. Look at this, guys. See all that? So that's what the screen is going to do. The screen is going to knock all this off the floor, basically break down the old finish so we can prep the floor and get it ready for new finish. So what we're going to be doing today, guys, is this whole kitchen area. All right. Coming down this hallway, also through here, this potty room, and they are going with a satin finish. And there's also we got a landing downstairs to do, all through here and all through here, going out the front door. All right, guys, see all that? Let me zoom in. See all those micro scratches? When people start seeing this, they know it's time to get something done. All right, guys, go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. Okay. All right, guys, so show you how the screening is coming out. So you can see here, see how smooth the floor is. See how you don't see any of those scratches anymore. So Tavares is just taping off the carpet. See how it's nice and smooth. So that's what the screen does, guys. And if you look right here, see how you still got all those surface scratches sealing the floor. See, like right there. So that's what the screen does. You look over here, floor is nice and smooth. So we're just knocking off the top coat. That way we knock off the old finish and also create a mechanical bond so the new floors, the new finish has something to bond to. So I'm gonna finish screening this. See that? See how just smoothing that floor out? All right, guys, we got the rag coat going down. We got our first coat down, our bill coat. Now we're putting down the rag coat. All right. Also did some light color correction right here up in, around the front of this island. Came out really good, can't even tell. Tavares did the downstairs area and also some color correction. And also too, you guys, I was talking to my client. You see this line right here? You see where he had the rug? He thought that was going to come out. I mean, it's no big deal, but I do have that in my contract. That's basically from the rug and also the UV. That would not come out unless you do a full sanding, okay? But I think the rug is going to go back, but you can see where the rug was. All right. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we just got back. Look at these floors, man. Oh, wow. We did a consultation. One of a lady, I forgot her name, but I actually did her floors, and she recommended me to one of her neighbors. But he's indecisive if he's going to go with a full sand, which I'm recommending him to one of my network partners, or just go with a screen and recoat. But, guys, look at these floors now. Oh, that's amazing. Look at that, guys. Remember all those scratches? Oh, those surface marks that was in the floor. Oh, that's beautiful. What you think, Leon?
I'm liking it.
You liking it?
Man.
Yeah. Leon said, man. Yes, sir.
Oh, I see.
You see?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes, sir.
High five? Yes, sir. All right, guys, time to get some UV going. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful. And like I said, guys, Leon floors, that's all it needed was a screen and recoat. There was a little wax on the floor, but not much. It was able to use a special pad to screen it off. Now, if you got a lot of wax, unfortunately, we can't screen it off. We have to do the wax removal. And I will say, y'all see that little touch-up, yo. And I will say, honestly, I don't, guys, sometimes wax removals, like the one we did yesterday, it was a challenge, but screen and recoat is my favorite service. As you can see, the floors are nice and smooth.
Mine too.
Yeah. So we about to get them UV cured. And all right, guys. Nice. Yes, sir. Thank you, Leon.
Oh, wow, look at
Yeah, look at that.
Hey.
Yes, sir. All right, guys. All right, guys. Got some UV action going. Instantly curing the floors. And I must say, guys, man, my clients, I'm going to say probably, you guys see the videos, I'm going to say at least 70%, 75% of my clients get the UV. They just love the convenience of being able to put the furniture back same day. Dogs, kids get back on the floor same day, rugs. Because without the UV, I do tell clients 3 to 4 days for furniture, especially heavy furniture. Rugs can be 5 to 7 days. Big dogs, I tell them at least 2 to 3 days. So a lot of my clients say that has basically helped save them from boarding their dogs for days. Because we all know our dogs are our kids. You know, my little fur baby Chloe, I could not imagine put her in boarding for 3 to 4 days just to get some floors done. So if I had something like this, yep, let's do that. All right, guys, go ahead and get these floors cured. Again, they came out great. Clients very happy with the results. And thank you again, Mr. Leon. He said he's been watching me for definitely over a year. So he's seen my growth, progress, different tools I use. Even knew it down to the pricing. So he knew exactly how much his project was going to be. All right, guys. See you in the next one.